want some high quality informative entertainment? Just scrap the crap and give us a tap.
Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon
and turn on the notifications for timely updates.
What's up everyone? Feeling excited?
You should be, because our today's video we're gonna send chills down your spine.
Recently, you've got to know about someone who is truly inspiring. After knowing about her, the only thought that was traveling in her mind was nothing is impossible in the world.
Of people in the world who can make the impossible possible, and such people are inspiring for real.
Guys, today's video is about a girl who was born armless. Yes, armless. And she is Jessica Cox, the superwoman.
We are sure you will love the real story of Jessica Cox and will feel motivated.
Must watch it till the end and let yourself be inspired.
We repeat, this is a true story.
Guys,
let's learn together. So, it was the year 1983 when a baby girl was born to the parents in Arizona, USA on 2nd Feb. They were really excited, but their entire excitement got quashed when they got to know that the baby was born without upper limbs. It was really heartbreaking and was almost unbelievable, as all the reports, tests and everything till the birth were quite normal, and there was no sign of any such disability. Their hearts broken, their dreams shattered, and they were in a state of shock.
But they refused to cry and accepted the challenge that Almighty had planned for them.
They brought up Jessica just like a normal child and even got her admitted to the normal school.
Her mother always told her that there is nothing she can't do. She always taught her that she is a normal child as everybody else in the entire world.
During her school recess, she used to feel very limited when people around her used to act overprotective and prevented her from climbing up the slides or doing anything which other kids were doing. And that was something which she hated. She was participating in gymnastics by the age of 3, swimming by 5, tap dancing by 6, and taekwondo at the age of 10.
She grew up wearing prosthetic limbs, but she never got connected with them. She preferred using the feet instead.
She wore prosthetic limbs for almost 11 years, and eventually she gave up on the artificial limbs. She believed that instead of fitting into society, she must act to society. And she always believed that pity prevents progress. So she never used to like people expressing sympathy. She was a firm believer that within every challenge lies the opportunity of empowerment and growth. She also believed that her brain is wired to her feet, the same way our brain is wired to our hands. This I can attitude has made her what she is today. Let's know about her accomplishments.
Jessica graduated from the University of Arizona with a degree in psychology and communication.
She has valid driver's license.
I'm wearing this mask to keep all the dust from going in my mouth and my nose. And this mask to keep it out of my eyes because I just had LASIK surgery.
Can you believe?
Yes, she flies planes. The first woman in the world who flies planes with her feet.
Hey everyone, Jessica Cox here, the Armless pilot, and I'm sitting on an airplane that I fly with my feet. I've made a couple tweaks to make it even easier. Come check it out. So one of the enhanced safety features I have now is this 3-point safety harness. So check it out. I can actually put this on and it gives me the extra leverage when I have this strap over my shoulder. And that way I can use my torso to give me leverage when I'm having my feet up on the controls like this, because you can imagine how awkward that must be. It's all abs, yes, but I do need the extra leverage. So this harness is making it easier for me to be able to do that. I also have something really neat in here I'm going to show you. The control panel looks really great now that it's all black, but here's where I keep the iPad. Pull this out. I just put this in like this, pull this out. And now I have ForeFlight, thanks to the Stratus 3 and UAvionics ADS-B. The airplane is over 70 years old, and obviously the instruments don't last that long, so we swapped out some new instruments like the altimeter, the airspeed indicator, and the vertical speed indicator, and it looks really nice. This white thing here is a Stratus 3. It gives me more information on ForeFlight, which is awesome because it's kind of like having radar, but not really. It just gives me better situational awareness, which is what I need. This little thing here is an ADS-B out. It lets other people know that I'm in the pattern. It uses an LED light, and with that and transmitting all that information, it requires less power than the original light that was on the tail. Just a couple months ago, I met another young girl born without arms. She was only 5 years old and her name was Journey. It was the first time that her and her mother had met someone else who was born without arms, and spending time together changed their whole perspective on what's possible for someone without arms. I want to take Journey on a flight in this plane and other children with disabilities to empower them to transform their lives. If you want to be part of this mission to help more children with disabilities, please go to jessicacox.com/donate.
She is a black belt in Taekwondo.
Continue.
AJ.
준비. 시작.
헐. 헐.
Alright.
Sir.
Sure.
She is a certified scuba diver.
She can type on a keyboard at an average speed of 25 words per minute, which is incredible.
She is a world-renowned motivational speaker. And above all, she is the mother of a beautiful daughter. And her name is Malaya.
This little piggy went to market, this little piggy stayed home. This little piggy had roast beef, this little piggy had none. This little piggy cried wee 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 all the way home. So this Easter I got to come and visit my brother and sister-in-law, Jason and Andrea, and their little baby Malaya. Let me put 5. Oh, okay, let's play. Let's play. Ready? Airplane! Oh, there she goes. You smiling. There goes Malaya. Come give me a kiss. Come give me a kiss. Yay! Look everyone, she's flying like Superwoman. And I have not seen her since she was only a couple months old. Now she's 7 months and I got to spend some time with her, and she's talking and moving and playing, and she likes to eat too, so it was nice to be able to feed her. Look, look. Oh, yay, we need the video. We need to eat that.
Just imagine if someone ties our arms for an hour. How would we feel? Life without arms is almost impossible. How will you change the page of a book? How would you write? How will you eat? How will you change clothes? How will you even take a bath? Almost everything is impossible without arms. But this is only when we accept that it is impossible. Never ever limit yourself. With every challenge, there is an opportunity.
Find it out and work on it till you succeed. People like Jessica Cox just convert the whole meaning of the word impossible as per them. Impossible itself says, I am possible.
And she is the real example of the same. Salute to the courage of Jessica Cox. And we wish her happy life and great success year after year after year. Guys, that's all in today's video. Stay inspired and do something to motivate others.
Be with us in the next video. Don't forget to like this video.
And subscribe to our channel. Enjoy and have an energetic day. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for watching our new videos. Keep showering your blessings. It keeps us motivated.
We promise we will never deliver rubbish.
Love you all. Keep subscribing.